Do you know the original purpose of bubble wrap? We all know this sound, don't we? The satisfying pop. It's a stress reliever. It's an unsung hero of our modern world, silently safeguarding our most precious belongings. But what if I told you that this ubiquitous protector, this humble layer of air-filled plastic, was never, ever meant for packaging? Its true purpose was something far grander, far more artistic, and ultimately a beautiful failure. Imagine the year 1957. Two brilliant minds, Mark Chavons and Alfred Fielding, were tinkering in a garage in Hawthorne, New Jersey. They weren't thinking about shipping fragile goods. Their goal was to create a 3D textured wallpaper. Yes, you heard that right. Wallpaper. Their grand idea was to laminate two plastic shower curtains together, trapping air bubbles within to create a trendy three-dimensional wall covering. But the world, it seemed, wasn't quite ready for bubbly walls. The design didn't quite catch on. It was innovative, certainly, but perhaps a little too avant-garde for the average homeowner. Their dream of revolutionizing interior design seemed to burst like a bubble. But this isn't a story of complete failure. Far from it. This is a story of serendipity, of an unexpected pivot, of finding purpose where you least expect it. A few years later, in 1960, a salesman named Frederick W. Bowers at Sealed Air Corporation, the company formed by Chavons and Fielding, was looking for a new way to protect IBM's delicate 1401 computer during shipping. Traditional packing materials just weren't cutting it. And then he remembered those rolls of failed, bubbly wallpaper. He realized that those trapped air pockets, which were supposed to be decorative, were actually perfect for cushioning. The failed wallpaper had found its true calling, a revolutionary packaging material, and just like that, bubble wrap as we know it was born. From a quirky interior design concept to a global phenomenon, bubble wrap became an indispensable tool, protecting everything from delicate microchips to priceless works of art. Its initial dream might have been shattered, but its ultimate impact was far greater than its creators could have ever imagined. So, the next time you pop a bubble or carefully unwrap a package, remember its incredible journey. Remember that sometimes the greatest innovations arise not from our original intentions, but from unexpected detours. From finding new purpose in what once seemed like a setback. It's a beautiful reminder for all of us. Don't be afraid if your first idea doesn't quite take off. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. Follow for more.